Pennsylvania. Can you guess where we're at?
I think it's pretty obvious if you haven't figured it out.
We're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we're at Hershey Chocolate World. We're having chocolate upon chocolate upon chocolate today.
You must have got like 4 tours booked or something. We already did the first one, which was chocolate tasting, kind of fun.
Chocolate unwrapped.
Yeah.
And we got to unwrap all kinds of chocolate and eat it, taste it, snap it, smell it, everything. It was pretty cool. And next we're gonna go watch a 4D movie, I guess, I don't know. But we can't videotape, so we'll try to get as much as we can.
Yeah. What else? We're doing some kind of tour.
There's a trolley tour, and then we're gonna make our own chocolate bar.
Boom. All right, let's get on it.
Yeah, we gotta go to our movie now.
Okay.
We're getting ready for the movie.
Well, knock it off. You're making me sick already.
Do we look cool? I think I'm gonna wear these permanently. I think they're gonna be my sunglasses.
I don't think you're gonna like them. Everything's blurry.
They are. Everything is blurry.
Good. Great. Well, that's good to hear. Because there's a mystery to solve. Someone or something has been sneaking into the chocolate factory. And Hershey and Reese and I need your help. Are you ready to help? Yeah. Yes. All right. Well, first things first.
In this thing. Oh my gosh.
It said take your Hershey's chocolate tour.
Hey everyone, so welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
I can't believe there's a ride.
Yeah,
oh my gosh, look at this.
Fresh milk. Sing it, girls! Taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love.
Blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber. To be packaged.
What Hershey's don't talk about Reese's peanut butter cups? My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
What do we got here?
We got a pretzel with beer cheese sauce, honey mustard, and some kind of chocolate sauce.
More chocolate.
I don't know about that with the pretzel, but
and we have a peach cider.
peach cider.
Yeah. Yum.
The Hershey cocoa bushes here. These were planted here back in 1908, and they've been an iconic site in the town here ever since. You'll see the Reese's factory here in town today. Every shape, size, color, flavor of Reese's peanut butter cup you could possibly imagine is being produced inside these walls as we speak. With both production lines running, they're able to produce up to 12,000 peanut butter cups a minute in this factory. There's a Hershey Chocolate World. That brown track roller coaster is Candymonium. That is the longest, tallest, fastest coaster in the park. Just opened up last summer. It's a grand total of 15 roller coasters in our amusement park. And now, First Hill is 210 feet high. You reach speeds of up to 76 miles an hour, and the ride in total lasts seconds, which
Wow.
is crazy long for a roller coaster.
Next. Cecil caramel. Chocolate cookie bits. Next. Okay. Why not? Next. Are you creating your candy bar?
Done.
Oh, you already did? Okay. I'm not going to tell you what I did.
Yes.
Oh, I don't either. Got my apron on. Gonna make a candy bar. Look for your name. Okay. Jeff S. Oh, it's feeling some. You got two. I did that too, Cecil. Did we do the exact same thing?
I don't know. I didn't put sprinkles on mine.
Oh, you did the exact same thing I did. Really?
I didn't put the sprinkles on.
Oh, see, I did sprinkles. That's funny that we picked the exact same thing, the exact same topping. Look at that. Yummy goodness. Look at all that chocolate. There goes Jeff's. Here comes Nemo's. Oh, that's cool. It just lasered your name on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, neat.
All right, what can you say about Hershey, Pennsylvania?
It's delicious.
Yeah.
And amazing.
Bring your fat pants.
Yeah, that's for sure. Milton Hershey was amazing, and his wife Catherine, right?
Yes.
Catherine. They were amazing people. They gave back to this community so much, and are still giving back to this community after their deaths.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing
what they've
people.
built here.
Yeah.
And it's not like it's family generation after generation. He left it all in a trust after he passed away.
Yeah, because they didn't have any kids.
They
and
said
so
it's worth 19 billion
yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
But the school that he's built for underprivileged people or children, I guess.
Yeah. It
Amazing.
started out as orphans, and then it has grown to people that can't afford to send their kids to school or just don't have the money. And all of their housing, everything is paid for.
And it's a trade school too.
Yeah, it's a trade school.
So
Yeah.
what is it? It's K through 12,
Yep.
and then a trade school also.
Yeah, yeah.
In order to graduate, they have, I think, 19 trades to choose from that they have to pass one of the courses.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
amazing. It's really amazing.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. So,
And the facility here was just, we did like they're catered towards children, but I mean, I had fun. I laughed and participated.
Yeah,
So
had a good time.
yeah, it was a great time. I highly recommend Hershey Chocolate World if you're ever in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Let's go see what else Hershey has.